Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic or exercise in basic algorithm scripting is to repeat a string. It is also repeated here, but we will only read it once. So repeat a given string str for num times. Return an empty string if num is not a positive number. For the purpose of this challenge, do not use the built-in dot repeat method. In that case, if num is not a positive number, if num is greater than 0, in that case, and we have else turn empty if it is not positive, and in case it is positive, then we have to use for loop. Let I equal to 0, I less than str, not str, num I plus plus, and let's let new str equal to empty string. New str equal to str for every time it runs, and we will return new str in the end. This looks good. Let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.